Welcome to Grasshopper Labs. In this video, we're going to be adding a charge to an existing order. So here we can use our global search or isolate our order inside of our orders grid. Once we're inside of the order, we can either click directly on the cost or select our dropdown and add a charge. Here, we'll then determine what kind of cost type we wish to add. So we'll select one of these options. And then below, we'll add the amount that we're looking to add. We'll hit next, confirm the change in cost, confirm, and then we can see that the cost has updated, which will reflect inside of the payments tab. And this is how you can add a charge in Grasshopper.